Magic has existed since the beginning of human existence on Earth. One of the most well-known stories is the tale of Pharaoh and his magicians. Prophets and messengers have also faced the evils of magic. Prophet Moses had to confront the sorcerers sent by Pharaoh. Magic is a form of evil that results from the collaboration between humans and jinn. It is considered a grave act of disbelief and a major sin. The following are types of magic that still exist in the modern era. 1. Marid magic. Illness magic. This type of magic can cause various disorders and diseases in a person's body, such as paralysis, blindness, muteness, an enlarged stomach, the appearance of nails and needles from the body, wounds that do not heal, shifting pain throughout the body, and many others. 2. Kumal magic. Stress magic. This magic is performed by a sorcerer, who sends a jinn to the victim and commands it to take control of their mind. As a result, the victim will become withdrawn and isolate themselves from others. 3. Hawatif magic. Dream or voice magic without form. A sorcerer typically sends a jinn and assigns it to disturb the victim while they are asleep or awake. This disturbance may take the form of wild animals, voices of familiar people, or strange, unsettling sounds. 4. Junin magic. Madness magic. This type of magic is cast by a sorcerer into the victim's body, taking control of their brain. It suppresses the brain cells responsible for thinking and memory or diverts the person's thoughts in ways known only to LSWT. 5. Mahaba magic. Love spell. This type of magic is used to attract the opposite sex. It is also sometimes performed by a wife to make her husband love her more. This is one of the many types of magic that still exist in the modern era. 6. Tafrek magic. Separation spell. This magic aims to separate a wife from her husband, a child from their parents, close friends from one another, or a person from their siblings or best friends. 7. Marriage obstruction magic. This type of magic is often performed by someone who is heartbroken after being rejected in love. They may seek the help of a sorcerer to prevent their former love interest from finding a spouse. It can also be done by a husband who divorces his wife with hatred and then asks a sorcerer to block her from remarrying, or vice versa. 8. Livelihood obstruction magic. This type of magic is intended to ruin someone's business and livelihood. The magic-infused jinn can disturb the victim's mind, making them unable to run their business properly, eventually leading to failure. It can also obscure people's vision, preventing them from seeing the business location, resulting in decreased sales and income.